Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm gonna try to keep this short, but I still get a lot of questions about my boom arm and this little part right here, this 5/8 adapter. I still get plenty of comments asking where you can get one. I even reached out to HyperX. They don't even sell them, I guess, individually, and I pretty much looked all over Amazon to find it, and I can't. So instead, I found this. It's a universal shock mount, and I think it may have the answer for pretty much providing a new 5/8 adapter if you lost one or whatnot. So I guess I will unbox that thing and pretty much try to see if it works. So let's go. Okay, so I got this universal shock mount off of Amazon for $13. And it's from a brand called Boseen. So I guess this should work with a decent amount of mics. I think it said the range, I guess would be the diameter or the circumference of the mic. I think it said 47 millimeters to 53. So if it's smaller than that or bigger than that, it shouldn't work. So it has a bunch of listings on their website too. So it's saying what mics this is actually pretty good with. So I kind of took a shot in the dark. I don't know if it'll work with mine as well. From what I can tell, it kind of looks kind of small, but let's open it up. All I really care about is the adapter. Okay, so after looking at this shock mount for a little bit, I noticed that the stem right here is actually more narrow than it is on the Quadcast shock mount. So this adapter would not work with this, but I guess in the case of, say, you lost your adapter or, say, shock mount broke, this would still actually work. I would not use this little tightening method thingy where I don't even think it fits over the Quadcast. I'm not even going to try because I think it's going to scrape it. There is a pad in it, but I'm not going to use it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start taking it apart. There's actually a little bit of rust on those. That's always nice to see. You see, this one actually has a lot more. Let me see. I don't know if you can see that well, but there's actually rust right here. So all I'm gonna do is just pretty much undo this little shocky spring thingy and just pull this piece out. Come on, there we go. It's actually pretty simple. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna unplug my mic, and then I'm actually just gonna transfer this over to here. So give me a second. As you can see, it works. So a little smaller than this one, but I'm still going to put this one back on because I like the way it looks better. But I guess this is an alternative in case, say, you lost this adapter or your shock mount broke. And then it also comes with some extra bandy things, and then I don't even know what you would do with this stuff, so maybe just throw it in storage like I am. And this from before is actually the little adapter. Say it's not 5/8, I think it's 3/8. This is how you would put this in here, and then it would be connect onto this piece here. And so that's pretty much it. So there is my alternative solution. Alright, so that's going to be it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please drop a like. And if you're new to the channel and you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing. I think YouTube says 0% of anyone who watches my videos are subscribed, so don't worry, I'll show the graph. It's kind of funny. Other than that, I'll leave the links for all the products shown in this video down below, and that's pretty much it. So thanks and bye.